Hi, I'm Fred Pfeiffer. I am a 7th and 8th grade math and science teacher at Lakewood Montessori, and I am also a bird watcher. I love to go out and look for birds because even in Durham, there are almost 300 species of birds that you can find. From the majestic red-tailed hawk to the colorful summer tanager to the tiny ruby-throated hummingbird. All of these are around you if you just start paying attention. You can birdwatch anywhere. You can birdwatch in your backyard. You can birdwatch in downtown Durham, or you can birdwatch in a beautiful park like this one. I want to give you 3 tips for going out and birdwatching. Tip number 1, be patient. It takes time to find great birds, so if you walk slowly, relax, maybe sit down and look around, you've got a really good chance of finding something great. Number 2, use your ears. You can hear so many birds before you even see them. And with a lot of practice, you can learn the differences between all of the birds that you can hear. I'm just gonna listen for a few seconds. Listen with me. Do you hear all of the different birds that are singing right now? That's one of the joys of going out and looking for birds. Indigo bunting, one of my favorite blue birds. Tip number 3, use a guide. There's a lot of fantastic book guides like this one, but there's also a really powerful app that you can download on any smartphone. It's called Merlin, and I'm going to show you how to use it.
Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to download this app. It's called Merlin and it's from Cornell University. You can get it for iPhone, you can get it for Android. Once you've got the app, you need to download a bird pack. So on the iPhone, if I click right here, I can click on this button, Bird Pack, and then you can search for the bird packs that you like. It'll recommend something to you, probably the Southeast, which is a smaller file size. I like to have all the United States just because it's fun to look through things. You can pick which one works best for you. So this is the bird that I just saw, and I can't figure out what it is. So I'm going to use Merlin to help me figure it out. So once you've downloaded, you just click Start Bird ID, and then you answer the questions. I saw it in my current location. Today is June 17th. And then what size was the bird? Well, it was a pretty small bird. It wasn't large like these. So I'm gonna click sparrow-sized or smaller. Just my best guess. Okay, what colors did I see? I saw yellow, I saw black. Saw a little bit of white. Okay, where was the bird? So I saw it in the trees. It was kind of on a low branch. So I'm going to select in trees. But if you saw it on the ground, you'd select that. Okay, and now it creates a list of all the possible birds. And right away, I see my bird. It was an American goldfinch. There are other birds here too. If I scroll down and I can compare with lots of different pictures. Nope, definitely not that one. Not that one. But this is definitely my bird. I remember the black wings and that black hat. Now what's cool about this is you can click info and you can get lots more info about the bird. You can see pictures and you can read about it. You can also play its sounds. And maybe you can use that to compare it with whatever you're hearing. And finally, you can look at the map. Sometimes it's cool to know where those birds are. And that's pretty much it. You can use Merlin to identify birds by answering those questions. You can also just explore all of the possibilities by scrolling through them.
All right, now you know how to use Merlin and you're ready to get out there and find some birds. Good luck.